Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Your monitor must support HDR and be on HDMI 2, 0 or DisplayPort 1. 4. Otherwise you can't proceed. Once done, update the Nvidia driver through GeForce Experience or the control panel so features are available. Make sure Windows HDR is enabled in Settings System Display. The Nvidia app reads that state. You do these steps first because driver and OS settings must agree. Skipping them causes missing options or washed-out colors. You now open the Nvidia control panel and work through the display section. Go to Change Resolution, choose the HDR-capable output, and set the native resolution and refresh rate. Mismatches break HDR. Then set output color format to RGB or YCbCr and choose 10 BPC or the highest available. Set dynamic range to full. Once configured, apply changes and watch for a brief screen flicker. This indicates mode switching. If using GeForce Experience, use its display options to confirm. You finish by testing with HDR content. Play a verified HDR video or use Windows test patterns to confirm brightness and color. If the image appears dim or washed out, toggle Windows HDR off and on, then reapply Nvidia settings. This forces a recalibration handshake. Make sure the monitor's own HDR or picture mode is enabled and replace low-grade cables. One key troubleshooting tip: if HDR still fails, roll back or reinstall the Nvidia driver. Driver corruption often causes HDR negotiation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.